Hello everyone, welcome back to my another styling episode. Okay, so that's my daughter, she's making me laugh. Okay, so quick update on today's outfit. Friends, simple, easy peasy and a very chic outfit that I pulled out from my wardrobe. I'm wearing black joggers.
It's joggers,
Black
mom.
joggers. Okay, I keep forgetting that. I'm sorry, my daughter prompted me. Okay, I'm wearing black joggers. Jogger pants are like my most favorite when it's during summer, especially. They're the most comfortable pants I've like ever worn or used. And I'm wearing a black top that I've always, you must have seen most of the times of wearing this black tops. I have like lots black because black is my most favorite color, first color. And I'm wearing another kimono. So I've paired it and I've given a boho vibes. As you can see, this is the kimono and it's like sleeveless and it's so flowy and so pretty. So you can just wear leggings, black t-shirts or black tops and pair it with this kimono. It's like so pretty, I love it. And I have given it a boho vibe with this necklace and this bracelet. So they're like gives me a boho vibe. And yeah, I'm wearing flip-flops. Like these are from okay, I forgot the store name. I think these are from H&M or Banana Republic, I'm not sure. So and simple, that's it. I've just braided my hair and because I wanted it to be a very comfy look. And it just took me 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, to get ready and pull this outfit together from my closet. I hope you like this, and if you want to see more such quick styling tips and ideas, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Positive Window. And thank you once again for watching and for your love and support, guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Sorry.
Okay, let me twirl and show you.
Oh yeah, runway.